In today's video, we're taking a look at the MK250 from Logitech. Now let's take a look inside and see what the MK250 comes with. Oh, we gotta open it this side. Now we got the keyboard here opened up. Let's take a look. First, let's flip it around here. And nice little layout here. You have the keyboard and the mouse. Let's take a look over here first. Oh, great. There's nothing in there. All right, free air. Okay, let's take a look at the mouse first. Let's see what mouse they give you with the MK250. So the mouse here it's not sure if you can really see it, but it's an M196. Let's get that out. Oh, and this is Bluetooth right here. So it's a Bluetooth mouse here. The M196 comes with the battery already. And this is what the mouse looks like. Standard 3-button mouse here, left, right. And you have your scroll wheel, nothing on the side. Now let's take a look at the keyboard. Gives you some general instructions. Let's just check to make sure there's nothing else in the box, which there isn't. Now let's take this out and see how the keyboard looks. Also comes with a slim information booklet right there. And now let's take a closer look at the MK250. Full-size keyboard here. Oh, these are like soft touch keys. Very nice, very nice. Let's flip this over to the back. Battery right here. Let's see, let's get this open. Let's get this open first. Okay, so we got that open. Comes with 2 AAA batteries right there. Let's get the plate here back on. This is also Bluetooth, so you can pair this, which is good. Bluetooth keyboard here with the latches. Can go to the side, or it's raised a little bit, or it can sit flush against your desk. This is a pretty thick keyboard. Looking around the edges here and the back. Overall, pretty nice. Again, this is the MK250, which comes with the M196.